Is your potential a garden or a graveyard? Most people wait for the perfect season to plant, while their field fills with weeds. You tell yourself you are planning or preparing, but the soil knows the truth. You are stalling. Meet Ilara. Her life feels like her backyard, chaotic, overgrown, and too intimidating to touch. She buys the best tools, the expensive planners, the new workout gear. She prepares for the big change. But when she steps outside, the sheer size of the mess paralyzes her, so she goes back inside. The weeds of procrastination don't stop growing just because you are thinking about cutting them. Defeated, she watches her neighbor, Mr. Thorne. His garden is a sanctuary of peace. She asks him the secret. How do you manage it all? I don't have the energy to clear the whole jungle. Thorne looks at her wild yard, then at his small shears. You are trying to move a mountain, he says. The garden isn't built in a day, Elara. It is built one branch at a time. Ilara scoffs. One branch? That won't make a dent. I need to do it all. Thorne smiles. That is why you fail. You look at the forest and freeze. Look at the branch and act. He gives her the rule. The 10-minute tending. Go out, cut for 10 minutes, then stop. Your brain fears the marathon. It does not fear a walk around the block. Ilara takes the gloves. She feels foolish, but she agrees to try. Day 1. She sets a timer. She pulls weeds for exactly 10 minutes. The patch is small. It feels insignificant, but she respects the rule. She stops. Day 2. It rains. She doesn't want to go, but it's only 10 minutes. She puts on her coat. Day 7. A corner of the yard is clear. Seeing the progress releases dopamine. She realizes Thorne was right. Motivation didn't create the action. The action created the motivation. The 10 minutes start to feel too short. She wants to keep going. By day 20, the one-branch rule has become a ritual. Her body craves the work. The jungle is receding, not because she fought a war, but because she showed up. Momentum is a rolling stone. Once you push it, gravity does the rest. She invites Thorne over for tea in the cleared garden. He nods. You found the rhythm, he says. Nature does not hurry, yet everything is accomplished. Here is the truth. Procrastination is just fear, disguised as perfectionism. You are waiting to feel ready, but you only feel ready after you have started. The garden grows, whether you watch it or not. The choice is flowers or weeds. To reclaim your own garden, apply these 3 pruning rules. Number 1, the 10-minute limit. Permit yourself to quit after 10 minutes. This removes the pressure. Anybody can endure 10 minutes of discomfort. Number 2, visual progress. Leave the tools out where you can see them. Remove the friction of starting. If the guitar is in the case, you won't play it. Number 3, focus on the branch, not the forest. Don't write a book, write a sentence. Don't build a body, do a push-up. Ilara's garden is beautiful now, but the real change was in her mind. She learned that small, consistent cuts can clear the densest jungle. Pick up the shears, find one branch, and start your 10 minutes. I'm the visual director. Subscribe to Between Two Strokes, and let's grow together.